Hey, hey, hey. Hey, I really wanted to talk about today's trade recap. I think this was the best trade of the week for me so far. So it's QQQ, and let's talk about it. So market opened, you know, 9:30. Around that time, we have this. I'm just observing it, and I'm seeing here that it creates a high, and then it fails to create a new high, and we have a head and shoulder here, a clean head and shoulder pattern, and this is where I enter my put position here for 355 is my target, and you know real quick it starts consolidating around this area, so I'm not worried about it. This is my stop here. I had next expiration February 7th, so I had a wider stop. Let's say that you were trading weekly. I think if you were trading next expiration, let's say February 4th, uh, then you should have had tighter stop around here, and it was consolidating around this area. You can see it was in the squeeze, and it broke below. This was the profit target one, and then I was in the trade. There was no reason for me to sell, um, just because my stop was wide. I took profit here, and then I was waiting for a re-entry, and it was just consolidating here for a while, trying to make higher high. And notice here I was observing this trend line, and you can see here that it tested here, kind of tested here, and then this was the third test, and I was kind of watching this closely, and I saw this reversal candle here, and I added again here around this area, and here just consolidating again, comes to the trend line, get rejected again with the reversal candle. So the trend is to the downside, and it's in this range here consolidating, and also it's a bearish flag here, and then it finally breaks down, breaks below this level. You could have entered here as well, but I just didn't want to get out of my position yet. And you can move the stop loss down as well. Let's say that you were already in profit, you could have moved your stop to I don't know, it just depends on your entry. You could have moved your stop right here because it never really closed on a 5 minute basis above 358. So, and then this was the profit target one, and then it broke down below again. This was profit target two. These are previous support and resistance levels, and then finally we have another great entry for put. So you got three entries. Let's say you missed here, you could have gotten here. You missed here, you could have gotten here, and finally we have the final profit target here 353, which was met. So overall, on the swing position, I made like net 150%, just because I was taking profit. I re-entered, and this trade went from, I think, contract value of I don't know, I think probably around 2.85 was my entry for 355 put, and then I sold them for 5.6. I had some swinging. I hedged them with 360 calls, 365 calls. So I'm safe with my entry. This was market close. So it was a pretty good trade, because it was a clean price action. The market was choppy, but still we had a trending day, which I love trading. So overall, pretty good trade for me. I think, hope you guys enjoy it. See you all later. Bye.